Hi, my name is Andressa Sleiman, and I'm excited to share with you today my study. And I want to start by giving you a little bit of context for the study. So in behavior analysis, we have developed several effective training strategies, and behavioral skills training is considered a gold standard in supervision. But although it is effective, it is very time intensive to use, and supervisors often don't have the time and resources to develop materials. Therefore, there is a need to identify a training strategy where supervisors don't need to have any pre-planned materials. And what we were looking at with the study is if we could borrow a useful training tool that's used in the medical literature, specifically teachback. So teachback is when clinicians explain one chunk of information at a time and then checks for patient understanding by asking them to repeat back the information using their own words. And if the patient explanation is incorrect, the clinician should then rephrase and check again until the patient can accurately describe the information. And it makes sense from a behavioral perspective because what it is doing is clarifying information. And as verbal adults, we have rule-governed behavior. And when you have the correct rules, then your behavior can follow that rule. So specifically, the purpose of this study was to evaluate whether teachback is a practical training procedure to teach participants new skills. We recruited 13 undergraduates using the university recruitment system, and each participant spent about 1.5 hours in the study. And I will walk you through the method and their results by using this graph. So on the x-axis, you have sessions. On the left, y-axis, the percentage correct in showing us the skill. And then on the right side, the right y-axis, we have the specific components, and the shaded boxes means they got that skill correct. So first in baseline, we gave them written instructions, and then we asked them to demonstrate the skill. And then we went ahead and implemented the teachback training, where we gave them the information and asked them to repeat back using their own words and clarified wherever needed. And following teachback, we see that behavior immediately increased. And then some participants, we went ahead and provided verbal feedback. And when we did that, they achieved 100% accuracy. And we were able to replicate the finding with 2 other skills as well. So kind of putting it all together, teachback can be an efficient intervention package, and it could be a great way to communicate within supervision, especially when it is being conducted outside of client sessions, or even sometimes supervisions have to happen over the phone or via telehealth. And teachback could be a great way to enhance communication. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed our study.